Magandang buhay mga Kapinoy. Dito pala kami sa Munis Bay Beach Resort. So bago kami makapasok doon, kailangan namin magbayad ng parking fee. So ganito yung pagbayad ng parking fee dito sa Canada, Kapinoy. So kung makikita nyo dyan, parking fee, pay here. So ang rates nila dito is 30 minutes $1. So bali bibilhin ko is mga 1 hour lang kami dito sa mga, so $2, so bali 1 hour $2 yung mabayaran ko. So dito magbabayad ka Pinoy. So this is the park pay display. So yung unang gagawin is insert muna yung card, tapos mag buy time, tapos print yung ticket, tapos yung ticket ilalagay sa dashboard ng car. So we're gonna start now. So kunin ko muna yung card ko dito. So ito na yung card ko Kapinoy. Insert ko muna yung card. So insert card. Tapos sabi remove card. Tapos buy time. So we're gonna buy like $2. Ano, 150, 12, 14. Okay. Tapos after buy time, print ticket. Amount 150. So print ticket. Approve. So lumabas na yung ticket, it's here. Deliver this one natin. So ito na yung ticket. So this is our ticket. Okay, we're gonna put this one in the dashboard. Come on natin.
Let's go.
Come on guys. So yung bata ko yung videographer ko.
You're actually having a poo.
Si Faith yung videographer ko. Okay, take a video. Okay. So open the car. Okay, thank you ate. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
So that's my videographer.
It said happy birthday.
So ito yung dashboard, ilagay daw sa dashboard yung time.
You're welcome.
Okay. So yan. So yun Kapinoy, yun yung magbayad ng parking ticket dito. Share ko lang kasi para lang pang reels. Okay, maraming salamat Kapinoy. God bless. Bye.